This is Joel the Quiet Storm Siabno. You're watching PhilippineNews.com.
You know, come May 2nd, there's no excuses. If Floyd wins, he's the better man. But Manny's going to win, so I'm not worried about that. We have no excuse. Training camp is pretty good. Manny's spiritually ready. He's mentally ready. He's physically ready.
Tropa, anong bagong balita? It's Truth, the correspondent from PhilippineNews.com. Thank you guys for watching another video regarding the Manny Pacquiao-Floyd Mayweather fight. Definitely subscribe here on our channel. We'll keep you guys updated with some more exclusive videos like these ones here on the side regarding the gigantic, enormous fight of the century between these two juggernauts of the sport. So definitely check it out and subscribe here in the channel and get the first updates and exclusive videos that we have coming for you. So definitely stay informed in the fight, and thank you again for watching. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.